The advantage of the plancha is to cook at a very high temperature. The meat or vegetables are grilled quickly while remaining juicy. It is perfect for cooking marinated chicken skewers. Here are the ingredients for 9 skewers. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. To prepare the chicken thighs, remove their skin and fat. Also remove their bone. Cut them into chunks. Finely mince the lemongrass. Remove the little top end, the end of the stem, and the first leaf that are hard. Crush the garlic cloves. Peel them. Chop the lemongrass and the garlic cloves. Put them with the chicken for the marinade. Then add the salt, the ground pepper, the sugar, the dark soy sauce, the Maggi seasoning, the fish sauce. Mix all together. Cover and let it rest for at least 3 hours, ideally overnight in the fridge. The chicken has soaked up with the marinade. We can prepare the skewers. Briefly mix. Skewer the chicken pieces. Heat the cast iron plates on high heat. Put some fillets of olive oil. Spread them all over the surface. When the plate is hot, put the skewers. Grill for 3 minutes on each side. The plancha chicken skewers are ready. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.